just touched down in beautiful Pacific, Missouri, y'all. I don't know, have we had a video in Pacific? I don't think so. But I saw this beautiful vehicle right here. Y'all know I like to see the vehicles before we even go to the show. I think this is a Rat Rod show by Jimmy Smooth. Shout out to Morgan Collier for inviting me and telling me about this event a couple of days ago. But this is nice. I love them Camaros. Well, yeah, we're gonna see what today entails, y'all. Y'all already know we unedited, unfiltered, unbothered. That's how we move. That's how we roll. Let's see what's going on. Got the beautiful fit. Oh yeah, I want one of those still. Beautiful fit. Beautiful drop top. Oh yeah. Got the kids on over here. We ain't got no kids, man. That is sad. Say show would have been playing over there along with me. No judgment. Let's see what we got. See what we got. Let's get it. Let's do a drip check. The force, the matching force. Yeah. Look at this man, boy. Man, I always wanted one of these big monsters. That thing is massive. Look at this. Just beautiful. Eesh. That F650 like a joke, y'all. Look at this, bro. Sheesh. I ain't gonna repeat what that say, but man, this is huge. Sheesh. Yeah, I need one of those. Look at this Impala. Take a picture of this one for your dad. Right. That Impala. Check out that interior. It's wild, y'all. Man, again, we at Liberty Field in Pacific, Missouri. Make sure y'all hit that like button. That's subscribe. Y'all, we on the road with the videos. Man, I hope y'all enjoy each and every last one of them. Make sure you tap into the older videos too, y'all. Show your boy some love. We trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. And we there without even having a product. Like, y'all know I've been out for almost 3.5 years from racing. But we still ain't quit. That's rare, ain't it? Gotta ain't just refuse to give up. Can't do that. That's too easy. So we outside, man. Beautiful Pacific. First time out here. That's bad. Heck yeah.
Did you look at the inside?
Yeah, that's crazy. I had a video of it. That's crazy.
In 1960.
I told her to send it to her dad. He want one. Beautiful. Everything for sale. Everything for sale. Let's get it. Got popcorn. This bad boy here, y'all. Sheesh. Rat Rods. They got live music, so man, hopefully we don't get copyrighted too much. Baby Bandit. That's dope. I like to bring y'all some different car shows that I go to. Man, we outside. Comfortable anywhere I go to, man. Beautiful, beautiful whips. Oh yeah, Camaro mixed with a motorcycle mixed with a, that's the thumbnail picture right there we go for. We making that the thumbnail, you already know, cause that is a Camaro that had a kid with a motorcycle trike, and we don't know y'all, but yeah, that's it. What we have here is a Camaro that had a kid with a trike. That's what we got right here. But this is so American, baby. The great nation of the United States of this here America, y'all. Look at this. That's beautiful, ain't it? It's literally a trike, but a Camaro. Camaro interior, y'all. That is street legal. They done cut it up and everything. They done cut it, welded, fabricated. This is some, man, that is nice. I want it. Like, you would never see it again.
You ain't taking that motherfucker to the city.
I know, shit, dude. Heck no.
That motherfucker flipping. That motherfucker got ratchet straps on.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Man, it's crazy, y'all. I love Pacific. That's the only place I'm gonna see something like that, probably. Now I feel like I gotta go somewhere that's gonna outdo that. I've never seen that before in my life. Don't know if we ever will, but y'all know if we do, we gonna get it on camera. That Mercury. That's beautiful. Beautiful Mercury. With the big boy steering wheel. Y'all, old school had the best cars. I don't care what nobody say. Sure, we got Lambos, McLarens now, all that. But these, even the older Lamborghinis, they say is the best. But old school cars is just on a league of its own. So we get these, then go get those, and then go to the other side. I thought I was recording. They got brass knuckles for the shifter. I don't even know where it cut off at, y'all. That's funny. They got brass. That's nice. Harleys. Two about to leave. Glad we got to see these before they head out. Yeah. Nice Fox body. That's nice. LX. Same motor I got in Rocky, that 5.0. Yeah, we got to show some love to my Mustang. The Mustang been up at the shop for I don't know how long. All I need to do is get some tires. Needs a new engine though, I ain't gonna lie, but it still be running. We're gonna have some fun with these cars coming up, y'all. Best believe that. Chevy's leaving the show. Yeah, I know. Yeah, the Flames.
More music coming up here though at the weekend, so stick around. I enjoyed driving cars off the market. We went by 2 hour ladies and signals.
427 vet, y'all. This is beautiful.
Check us out on Facebook. We'd like to see you again. There's one of them days with us.
1964 Fairlane. Oh, yeah. My fair lady. That's nice. Mustang. Yeah, we got some heat coming, I promise y'all. Y'all done stuck with me for years, and I appreciate y'all, and we coming. Just know that, we coming. Strong. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button now.
great day. More music coming up.
Woo!
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You got the Jimmy Smooth drug gear. Look, he's down it. Bam! Look here.
Bam.
New deal, new show, dialed in. See y'all. Hey, nice
Yes,
to see y'all.
sir. Nice to see you.
Right on.
We was on a live video. Look at that. Some straight dually. That's straight dually. That's a straight dually. Yeah, we just was in a live video. That's all love. This thing is beautiful. This vehicle is beautiful and unique as get out, y'all. Yeah, we at the Jimmy Smooth Rat Rods. This is the flyer right here.
I'm running up to the truck going, I need the square. He's like, oh yeah, I got it.
Jimmy Smooth Creeper Shop. This is dually too. Now look at this seat.
As we're going, I'm adding
I'm sure it is very, very, very uncomfortable. It's a Dodge. That's cool. They let you put whatever you want on there. This right here,
I like that.
Broccoli. Put a jet ski behind it. Huh? Nice car, sure, man. Make sure if y'all hit that like button, hit that like button for me. Lamborghini Huracan, beautiful. They gonna come up on it. Oh, he might be leaving.
What's going on?
What up,
son?
man? What up?
Hey, baby girl. There's smoke.
Got a Lambo. Just sleek. Look at it over there. It's just sleek, isn't it? I want to be in this show. I want to be in as many shows as I can get. I just want to be in them. Be around great people. That's all we're gonna do, y'all.
It was green.
Oh, was it? Oh, it might have been antifreeze then. Keep it from overheating. Look at this. See this? Ah. Rat rods. Bullet. See the rats? Look at the grass truck. The infamous grass truck. That's funny. Like, that's straight turf. Straight turf, y'all. They made a truck with all turf on it. Man, that's funny. Chiefs and the Cardinals. It's a chia pet. Weather's so beautiful out here, y'all. Supposed to rain this weekend, but it did not. It's a nice tow vehicle. Real high rise don't have fenders.
I know they'll never understand. Tonight, this one's for us.
Yeah. 60 Impala. He liked it. We eating. Oh yeah, USA baby. I know I'm getting me one of them flags too. I'm proud. Not all the time proud of how we acting, but look at this. What the heck? The engine is in the middle. The engine is literally in the middle. Look at that.
You guys believe it's my 13-year-old daughter's truck? We've got this one, we've got a small block, and then my husband's building a long bed door.
Nice. That Trans Am. Look at that tow truck. Made her from Cars. could have definitely ate here. They had a taco stand truck too. I already ate. $50 food outside. Well, we supported a business, so that's all that matters. Oh, this is crazy. Play something off of video.
Oh, I know it's exactly.
I got it.
This back part.
That's actually a church.
Oh, it is?
I'm sure they do.
Ah, the cool car, sure, y'all. Hope y'all enjoying it. Make sure you hit that like button for me. Again, we're at Jimmy Smooth's Rat Rod Show in Pacific, Missouri, right outside St. Louis, not too far. Straight out 44 West. Before you get to Union and Washington, Missouri, y'all. If you missed this one, catch the next one. They got food trucks. Probably gonna end it here, y'all. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Let's get it.
Look above you.
A little bonus, Pacific, Missouri, man. Bring y'all kids out here. Man, hey, we ain't got the kids with us. Hey, we enjoyed this. Gotta come back out here. That's cool. Fish in there. They think we got food. You see them coming? Fish are smart. They think we got food. Look at them. They think we got food. That's crazy. They ready to eat. I wish I had some food for them. Yeah, man, we downtown Pacific, Missouri. Come bring the family and kick it. Let's get it. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. I'll see you in the next video.